Hey everyone, welcome to the Thinking Crypto YouTube channel. My name is Tony. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also smash the like button. I want to talk a bit about what's my 2020 crypto investment plan. And this is of course not financial or investment advice. You have to do your own research and make your own conclusions. So market, right now looks like it's going to wrap up at the end of the year, not too spectacular as we expected, right? But that's okay. We've been talking about, the Bitcoin halvening coming up in 2020. Historically, when you have these halvening milestones, you see the price of Bitcoin increase because there's a scarcity aspect. And now we also have the big players involved in the market and who are pushing different Bitcoin financial products. And I expect to see more mass marketing next year around crypto and digital assets, which can drive demand. Now, we are just, predicting some things here. Obviously, this is not 100% guaranteed, but based on past performance, based on what's happening right now, what investments are being made, what the governments are doing and pushing for more regulations and clarity. So things are progressing not as fast as we would like, and certainly I would love the prices to be higher because you guys know I've shared my portfolio before. My top three are XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. I do diversify across the board here to reduce the risk in my portfolio, but for 2020, what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be continue to accumulate from my top three: XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. XRP, you seen my video yesterday. Ripple continues to get investment money. They continue to build a lot of different use cases and utility around XRP, and I believe eventually the price is going to follow there. So XRP is more my long-term investment, meaning I don't expect it to catapult and go skyrocket next year. It could happen, but I'm looking more in the longer term. Now, this is from my own research and my own looking at the different pieces and what's happening, because I don't just look at this from a technical analysis standpoint or just from a crypto standpoint. I look at it from a business standpoint, from a disruption standpoint, from an emerging technology standpoint. So that's why I see a lot of disruptive potential here for XRP in what it's trying to achieve via Ripple pushing different initiatives. Now, Bitcoin. Bitcoin cannot be ignored, and that's why it's my number two. And certainly, when we bottomed out in December of 2018, near 3,000, I accumulated then, so I'm already up, right? But I'm looking for higher prices, and Bitcoin is certainly a solid bet here when it comes to returns, because it is the original, the OG. It is being used as a investment vehicle now. It is digital gold. And of course, when you got the New York Stock Exchange involved, building, Bitcoin futures and all kinds of financial products, you have TD Ameritrade, all the big players, right? Fidelity, you have ErisX. I don't think I need to explain what's happening here. I'm looking at what the big money's doing, and I'm going to follow suit because Bitcoin's going to yield really great returns when you have these big players behind it. So it is my number two that I'm going to continue to accumulate. And my third is, of course, Ethereum, just because of what they're doing from a DeFi standpoint and the building that's happening around it. And those are my top three that I'm going to accumulate. I'm not going to accumulate, on the other altcoins unless I see something major happen. Right now, I'm not going to liquidate any of them. I'm going to keep them because I have accumulated them at low prices. And we know that, as Bitcoin rises in value, the market generally follows. It's the tide that lifts all boats, so to speak. So that's my plan. Once again, not financial or investment advice, but that's my conviction, what I've done, my research, and what I want to continue to do. So my top three, I will continue to accumulate: XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. And some of you may have a similar plan, or you may be all in on specifically XRP. I highly recommend, you could talk to a professional investment advisor and all this, but just remember the general principle of investing is diversifying, because you never know. We don't know what the future holds, and we can never put all your eggs in one basket, so to speak, right? Even if, as much as I believe in Bitcoin as well, I don't want to put all my eggs in that basket, because we don't know what can happen, right? So diversifying to reduce my risk. So that's what my plan is, guys. What is your plan? I would love to hear your thoughts and comments, and what you're planning to do for 2020. So leave your thoughts and comments below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please share this video if you found it helpful. And once again, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribers yet. And we'll love to hear what you guys think. So leave them below, guys. I'll talk to you all later.